Executive Director of Green Foundation Manipur, 𝐸𝐸𝐾𝐞𝐧 𝐅𝐸𝐬𝐭 has appealed to farmers in the state to adopt organic farming for a cost-effective farming and to ensure healthy and abundant yield. He was speaking at a one-day training program for farmers, National Program on Organic Production and Internal Control Systems Management at Khurkhul Mamang Community Hall today. Green Foundation Manipur and 𝐸𝐸𝐾𝐞𝐧 Organic Producer Company jointly organized the program under the Ministry of Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern Region, MOVCDNER, Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmer Welfare. Speaking further, Premjit called upon the farmers to refrain from using chemical fertilizer on the farmlands and to adopt organic farming to boost the economy and to enhance productivity. He said, currently there are 37,500 farmers carrying out organic farming successfully, while a good foundation is extending help to over 6,600 farmers. He also said that farmers can get organic fertilizer from the foundation at subsidized rate.
Green Foundation we say laboratory lay we studies man to kanda puthorokpa anu by organic ba tila ram ha thina man orakanda organic to bana we safok handa bangam me handa adu oragati phur organic pham to kanda safok handa roi adu ga we organic ki oiba pothok pudi market yumba kandi mamani hena tangna yumba yarabina we hamri kamdo hengana yumba yarani adi amarom da organic farming je phara senga toragadi organic farming sangi ba tila heda har singje isan we singja bi yabine adu hoyi maksu ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤꯕ ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯥꯏꯗꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯟ ꯐꯥꯎꯟꯗꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯇꯥꯕ ꯁꯔꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯠꯇꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯝꯃꯒ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯤꯕ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯥꯎ ꯂꯩ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯎꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯀꯅꯥꯝꯇꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠ ꯍꯟꯊꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯝꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯗꯕꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ.
Around 50 farmers took part in the program. Chairman of 𝐸𝐸𝐾𝐞𝐧 𝐅𝐸𝐬𝐭, Group Leader Furit-Sabam Bibetumbi, Rudra Oli and Usham Jugeshwar among others attended the program.